Ryan Little.
It's a nice day. I think it's time to install the fender flares for real this time. Hey Duncan. You want to help me wash the truck? No? Okay, first thing to do, just gonna wash the truck quickly. Alright guys, so the truck is clean now. I'm just about to start to do the front fender first and then the back. Let's do this. Alright, the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking off a few of the screws over here. So there's one, I think this should be one here, but I think that fell off. Two, and I believe three right there. I think this is an actual fender flare for the Lariat, because I've seen a lot of the videos and they don't have these ones. So yeah, I might have to take that off. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so unfortunately I can't go the route with taking out the screws as I mentioned earlier, because this is actually an extra piece that's used for the Lariat, and yeah, I'll have to use my self-tapping screws that I bought for the rear. Now I gotta use it for the front as well, because it's not gonna work out. I will need to self-tap the rest of this one to make it fit. So yeah, I might just do one side for now. I'm hoping it doesn't rain tomorrow and I can buy the rest of the other screws so I can fit the rest of them. But it'll be nice to just at least have one side of my truck fitted. So yeah, miscalculation on my part. All right, let's see how this goes. Okay guys, it's installed now. I might actually get shorter screws for the front ones, because it's kind of poking out a little bit, but it's okay. I mean, it's not as noticeable, and plus I'm gonna be plastic dipping it anyway, so I might need a shorter one just for the front ones because of the fender lining that I have here, the fender lining. It's kind of making it difficult for me to screw.
That's what she said.
Screw it into the fender line.
That's what she said.
It's kind of thick.
That's what she said. Excuse me? That's what she said.
And plus I don't actually have a jack or a lift to take off my tire. So I'm just gonna get the shorter screws tomorrow and install those shorter screws into the front fender. But yeah, just gonna finish the back. I'm gonna finish one side for now, and then I'll finish the rest of it tomorrow.
A few moments later.
All right, another hiccup. Seems like I need to drill, dirt. I need to drill to the subframe because it's not, I mean, it's sticking to the plastic, but it's not sticking into the actual frame itself. Yeah, I'm gonna need to drill it a little bit.
That's what she said.
So that it sticks onto the frame so it doesn't move. I'll have to do it for the rest of them as well too, just to make it easier for myself. It's all good, totally understandable. Lesson learned, I guess. Anyways, I'm just gonna do that right now, and then I'll see how that goes.
Later.
I only got to screw and drill this one right here, I guess the middle top part right here. So it's holding it pretty firmly. As you can see, it's holding it firmly because it's actually bolted onto the frame. The rest of it I'll probably do tomorrow. Yeah, to be honest, looking at it makes the truck look really good. Can't complain about it. Starting to look really nice. So yeah, I'll finish this off maybe tomorrow, or whenever I have a chance to get the other parts for it, or the drill bit. Unfortunately, actually, when we were trying to drill over here, my dad's drill bit just broke, so I've been working on this for like the last couple hours or so. What time is it right now? It is almost 8 o'clock, 1:45. I actually started on this one like around like 5, and yeah, I've been working on it for about 8 hours.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Sorry, 3 hours now. So anyways guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Day 2.
Alright guys, stopped raining, time for day 2. Actually earlier today, while it was raining, I actually went to Rona to pick up some of the drill bit that I'm gonna be using to drill into the fender. I'm gonna be taping it with the carpenter tape for now, so I can find where the holes are gonna be. And then after that, I'm gonna drill through it and then start installing the fender flares onto the body. Alright, I taped it up, and now I'm gonna mark where the holes are gonna be so I can start drilling. I already marked it up. One there, one on top, one right there, and one right there. Alright, time to start drilling.
What does mine say?
Sweet! Alright, I actually made holes already. 1, 2, 3. Unfortunately, I can't make holes for the side, the bottom ones, because I have to remove the tire for that to happen. But for now, I'll just have the fender flare installed really quickly, and just so that I have an idea of how it looks like. And then I'll probably try to get somewhere where I can take this off and install these last 2 bolts.
Eventually.
Alright guys, progress report. So this is sturdy now. This fender is installed properly. As you can see, I can't pull it. Screwed one of the bolts here, the other bolts here. Tomorrow I'm just gonna be grabbing a clip to basically just clip this bolt here, and then this bolt as well too, and also this guy right here. And I think it should be good to go, because I think if I can bolt at least this and maybe even this one, I think I should be good to go. So yeah. All right, on this side, back fender, I actually replaced the self-tapping screws with the same ones that I had on the other side, just to make it look flush. Same thing for tomorrow. We're gonna be finding a clip to clip this bolt right here, this bolt right there, and that bolt right there. This one's pretty good. I mean, this is the self-tapping one. This is already bolted on pretty good. Debating whether or not I should replace these ones as well. I might do that just so it's flush, and then adding the rest of the bolts here and maybe even here. The only thing left is actually the driver's side front fender. Tomorrow I'm gonna find the proper bolts for those ones. I've been to Rona like 3 times now. Unfortunately, I'm back to working full time, so I'm only able to work on the truck after work, and by the time I get here, it's either raining or the sun is out. So this install is going to take about a few days. I thought I could just do it in one day, but unfortunately I don't have all the pieces, and I'm learning this as I go. I'm not very knowledgeable when it comes to installations. As I said, I'm a noob when it comes to fixing trucks or modifying trucks, so this is probably going to take a little bit longer. Bye for now, I guess. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ain't that right, Riri?
Day 3.
Alright guys, just finished work. Day 3, time to finish off all the fender flares. Alright guys, so basically I just added the screws that I mentioned yesterday to here, here, and there. So now it's really sturdy now. It's not gonna go anywhere. Yeah, it's all done now. And I also did the fronts already. So for the front, put a screw here. I replaced the screw here, here, and here. The reason for that is because it wasn't flushed. So I wanted to be a little bit more flushed. It's less noticeable than the one that I got prior. And then I put a screw down here and a small screw right here, just to reinforce the fenders even more. It's actually looking pretty good, guys. We're almost done. I'm just gonna do the other side, and yeah, I'll show you guys the finished product. All right, guys, back left fender is installed securely now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All 5 bolts are all screwed onto the fender flare now. So it's secured, not gonna go anywhere. Just one left, and we're good. All right, guys, after 3 days of work, we're finally done all the fenders. Everything's all installed now. This is secured now. I put a screw here, 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 and 2 right there. Man, we are done. Done deezy for sure. Oh man, that is awesome. This looks good. Again, this is how it looks like on this side. I'm very proud of how I did this one, guys. Thanks to my pops for helping me out a little bit on these ones. Probably gonna take some better pictures or videos of it after I've washed or gotten to drive it around. Probably gonna try it out right now. Let's see how it feels when I'm actually driving it. All right, so I'm actually driving right now with the truck. So far, the fender flares hasn't fallen off, so unless they already did and I just never noticed it, but it's not too bad. It's holding on, so I'm just trying to find another spot to take a little bit of a cool montage of the Project F150. So I'm just gonna try to find a spot right now, and yeah, I'll do a quick montage of the whole truck. I'll see you guys in a bit. Unfortunately, the place that I wanted to take that montage is filled with people. Don't really feel like doing any filming around other people. I'm still not comfortable doing that, so I'm just heading back to my parents' place and probably just do the little montage over there. And yeah, see you guys when we get there. All right, time for the montage. Anyways guys, that will do it for the video. I am really happy on how this turned out. The fender flares are all installed and it makes the truck look even way better than it has before. If you guys like how the fender flares look as well, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. I try to upload at least 2 to 3 times a week or whenever I can now since I'm back to work, as I mentioned earlier through the video. Also, please hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any future new videos. Thanks again for watching. Like always, stay awesome. The donkey, come here. Come here.